Right, so we have the TCL 40 SX500A. This model common for backlight failure. So usually when a customer call and they say TV not coming on, as you can see here, you see the light at the top, which means the TV have power. But if you try to power up the TV, nothing comes on the screen. However, if you look closely, you will see the TCL in the background. When you shine a light, a flashlight to the screen, you will see everything in the background. Which will confirm that you either have a backlight or it could possibly be a board issue as well. But in this case, backlight. Alright, so over here we have new strips. Because we know that is a common failure in this model number, we have the new strips which we will be installing today. Alright, we take out all these screws. Take all these screws to the side. Clear away from the screen in case make a mistake and go a little bit to the side, very far away. Alright, so this model has a space in the back to the bottom, so you can jack out everything before you lift it up, and the back cover is out. Right, backlight failure as well. Once it is the board, majority of the times you'll see the capacitor swollen near the backlight connection. Alright, so what you do is disconnect your backlight from the board. You take off the Wi-Fi card because it's along the same tape. Alright, so you leave it disconnected until it's complete. Can't use the drill too strong. Alright, so you go back to the traditional method using a screwdriver. Card. Alright, so the Wi-Fi card's through. You take out the antenna, you plug back in. Make sure so nothing will be in the way. Alright, so now is the tricky part to take out the screen, to disconnect the screen. Alright, so first you raise the ground tape first. Remember to stick it back. Then we push the clip forward, raise, push the clip forward, raise, push the clip forward, raise, push the clip forward, and raise. Alright, then we put our hands here to hold on the screen board so you wouldn't pull when we pull the cable out. Alright, just a precaution. Alright, so raise up the TV, make sure the cable is free. Alright, so one thing we didn't do is to take off the plastic off the screen. So this customer left the plastic on the screen, which is not recommended. So what you'll have to do is remove the plastic so that the screen can be taken off safely. And we understand that customers like to keep their TV looking new. However, the tape left on the TV actually burns into the screen. All around the top have clips, so we just send it inside, just raise it forward. Do it gently, you can't do it rough, otherwise the screen get damaged. So once I get up and do my work like normal, not feel as though nice, got tape in the bottom here. Gotta take your time and cut the tape. Don't know why TCL did this, probably so that you wouldn't get the screen off properly. So you don't necessarily need this tape. Alright, so you lean the screen up safely. Nice. Alright, so you take out the little reflector mount. So that is called reflector mount. I don't know if that is the correct name for it. However, it's hold up the reflector sheet. Try my best to get it off as clean as possible. disconnect the backlight connection. So many boards keep current in it, hence the reason why we disconnected the backlight from the back. So we didn't have any issues. Alright, so we place back the new strips in. Make sure your wires run back up. Make sure everything's centered properly. Make sure it's done neat. Right. Jack in your connections. Nice. One strip down. One more strip to go. So this one was on there. So take your time, send it through. Good. Right, make sure you drop in the hole. Make sure this hole line up. And place back your tape down. Right, so rest back your paper. No tear, so it won't back on neat. Right, make sure that lights functional. Right, so when you're working on the TV, it's good to keep everything nearby, so you'll remember, because it's easy to forget the little components and leave them out. Like the balance, you know? Alright, so there's it there. TV done. Also my screen a little dirty, so we'll clean it up. Make sure they get back the TV in good condition.